I've always known we'd get there, to that point where the line between human and machine will start to feel blurry. I'm talking about that scenario where we're sharing our homes with humanoids from Ubitech, from GigaAI, from Unitree, or Tesla. It's exciting, the idea of having a robot buddy around to help with the laundry or some other household chore. That's cool. But there's a big blinking question mark hovering over how safely we get to that point. Earlier this year, at the World Economic Forum in Davos, the global leaders, and I mean the big shots from politics, business, and the technical experts, they all came to a consensus that we are officially past the hardest technical hurdles in robotics, meaning we're moving out of the era of just making robots move and into an era of making them think, reason, and act in our messy, unpredictable world. That's big. Is the market saying the science is solid? Now let's pour money into making this a reality. But how does that actually look like? Because while they're talking about the future at Davos, companies are already deploying robots into homes right now. Take, for instance, Hubei Giga World Robot Company, or GigaAI, in Wuhan, which is preparing to deploy 100 humanoid robots called the SeeLight S1 to ordinary households on a free trial basis starting the third quarter of this year. This, to me, can be the experimental trial phase we're talking about. They're sending these robots to load washing machines, fold laundry, and clean the floor. While I know we're progressing and the industry leaders say the hard part is over, I can't skip over the fact that AI has only made dramatic leaps in the last couple of years. We've all seen the stunning displays of robot mobility from companies like Unitree, but the ability to do a backflip doesn't mean a robot knows how to hug someone without breaking the ribs. Sounds silly to worry about being hugged a tad too hard by a robot, I know, but this is actually one of the biggest challenges they're facing. Experts call it tactile intelligence, the ability to feel and respond to physical objects, to know how hard to grip something like a human hand or a teacup. They refer to it as the holy grail of robotics. And so my main concern, we are moving robots into the unstructured chaos of our homes where there are pets, children, and objects not in their proper place. How safe is it to have a humanoid in that environment? In the West, the regulatory environments are a major hurdle because of that exact liability issue. The laws are still catching up to the reality, and I don't think we can ignore the risks. We've seen a dancing robot accidentally kicking a toddler during a choreographed routine. Remember that viral moment? If event organizers can't keep a robot safe in a controlled public setting, how can we be fully confident about the safety in our own homes? I know we will get there, eventually. Having a humanoid in the home will feel as normal as having a smartphone in our pocket. The consensus from Davos is a roadmap, but the road between here and a safe, ubiquitous future is still being paved. And for now, I'd rather be a little skeptical of a casual handshake with a robot than end up in the hospital because one didn't know its own strength.